The final step for our circle flowers is to add the details. So once you have your circles glued down and they are dry, then we're going to go back and with black marker, we are going to add the details of the petals and the stem and maybe even a pattern or two inside the flowers. So the first thing you'll want to do is outline your circles. You can see I have this one done here. So we want to have a nice clean edge, and I think the easiest way to do this is to put the tip of your marker next to the construction paper and then just follow it along very slowly, turning your paper as you go so that the tip is touching the construction paper that you have glued on, and that will help it really stand out. Now you can go back and make it a little bit neater if yours gets a little uneven, but you want a nice solid dark line all the way around. You also want to make sure that you have a stem. So this one here, I have a line that goes down. I'm going to do another one over here. Maybe I'll have this one go this way. And I'm using the side of my marker, so I have a nice thick line so that will stand out. And then, of course, this one. If you have an idea of how you would like the details on your petals to be, you may go ahead and do that. If you need some help, I do have this roll of flower worksheet, and this just gives you some suggestions. If you're not sure what you like, you could just roll a die and see which one you get to know where you're going to put the pattern. But if you have an idea, like let's say you like this one here, which looks similar to ours, I think the only thing you would do is maybe I'll take the smaller marker for this one. And you know you want to make sure your marker's shut. And you know when you hear the snap. And I can just take and go around this one so that all of my circles are nice and outlined. So I carefully outline. I can do the inside like that as well. So then let's say I like the U shape here. So I can go ahead and add upside down U's to my flower. Now when I get to this part where it's going to go off the paper, I still want to draw the lines that I would probably see. I don't want to try to squish them in and make them smaller. I still want to have all the petals the same general size. Maybe I'll skip over where the stem is. This one will go behind the other stem. So I go all the way around. Then I can add a detail. And this can go in between the petals. So maybe I like the one with the dot. So I'm just going to do a line out with the dot, out with the dot. And then the fourth row is the top, or something that you can go on the outside, or it could go on the inside. I'm going to put another circle on the inside. I want to add a little bit of a pattern, so I'm going to draw some lines that are kind of diagonal in each of my petals in those circles, or the U's I just made. And by adding a pattern, it makes the picture look much more detailed. And it's easier for me to turn my paper so that I'm always drawing the lines in the same direction. And there we have one flower done. Maybe I'll even do some extra circles in here.